Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we're looking at a Cargo King 5x8 trailer that does not include the V-nose. We have this in two models. We have it in a ramp door, which is our Nomad, and then we have it in double door, which is called our Lancer. This one is our ramp door. It's available in 13 plus colors. We could do some more options to it. This one has a few extra options on, which we'll talk about as we walk around. First, this particular one's finished in diamond silver. It's on a 3,500 pound axle. Let's walk around it. It's got a cross vent here, which I'll talk about it when we get around the other side. You can notice the V-nose, the nice diamond plate on it. You walk around the other side here, it's got a man door, which a lot of them don't put on, but we have a man door, so you don't always have to go through the back. This is another cross vent right here. This one is a ramp door, and I have it down. We can take a look at this. All the LED lighting inside. The cross vents I was talking about. There's one here, and then there's one in this back corner. So there's air flowing through your trailer 365 days a year. That way, you know, with the moisture and stuff we have, it's always fresh air in here. This one has 4 surface mount D-rings in it as well for tie downs. The Nomad comes with jacks in the back, so you can go in and out without it being hooked up. Let me show you those right here. Those are called drop jacks. Let's go ahead and put the ramp door up so you can see how easy it is. I'm doing it with one finger. There, it's closed. You can see the nice big tail lights on it, so it's nice and bright in the back. So if you have questions about this one, or you want something like this but you want to make these changes, you want a different color or whatever it is, reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or call us at 503-666-7300. Thanks for looking and have a wonderful day.